Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting. How to use Claude Code inside VS Code completely for free. No API key, no paid subscription, nothing. Just install it and start building real apps. Let's get into it. Before we start, there's one thing you need to set up first, and that's NineRouter. I've already made a full video walking through how to set it up from scratch. So go watch that first and come back here. The link is in the description. Once NineRouter is running, you'll be able to use Claude's paid models completely for free. So go do that and I'll see you back here in a minute. Alright, assuming you've completed the NineRouter setup, the first thing you need to do is start your NineRouter server. Just open your command prompt and type NineRouter. The server starts up in about 30 seconds. Once it's running, you'll see your cloud provider dashboard, and that's all you need on the backend. It's already handling everything for you. Now open VS Code. If you don't have it installed yet, go to code.visualstudio.com and download it. It's free. Once VS Code is open, go to the extensions panel and search for Claude Code. Install it. That's it. One extension and you're set. Now, here's a fun little bonus. There's also a VS Code Pokémon extension. While Claude is coding for you, you can watch little Pokémon running around on your screen. It's totally optional, just a fun way to pass the time while your code is being generated. I'll link it in the description. Now, open your project folder in VS Code or create a new one. Then open the Claude Code panel from the sidebar or command palette. Because NineRouter is already running in the background, Claude Code connects to it automatically. You don't need to log in, you don't need a Claude account, it just works. Now type in what you want to build. I'm going to build a simple AI platform landing page as a quick demo. Hit enter and watch Claude start working. It'll generate files, create folders, and write the code. Sometimes it'll ask for your approval before making changes. Just review and confirm when prompted. In just a minute or two, Claude has built a fully working HTML file. Right-click the file and open it in your browser. And there it is, a real working web page built entirely by AI, completely free. And this is just a simple demo. You can build React apps, full websites, client projects, whatever you need. No API costs, no subscription fees. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really does motivate me to keep making content like this. And if you have questions or want me to cover something specific, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.